Sanibona bafethu uvane lo iBetway Premiership isibuyile. Yabona iBetway Premiership isibuye ngempela ke manje. Ibhola libuyile limnandi. Igame ade ngiyibona namhlanje. Lapho kudlala khona ama team abantu abaningi bangawabuka ama game abo. Yabona ama games akanje ave mnandi ama games akanje because ubona izinto eziningi ongayilindele. Ongekuzwe uyibone uma kudlala ama team lawa Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabona uzoyibukela nje mhlawumbe iRichards Bay idlala neChippa, iSwelele idlala neTS Galaxy. Ubona into kanje 2 Swelele 2 TS Galaxy ade kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga libafethu siwabonile ama team omabili. Iswelele ke iyona team adidlala home. I really like Iswelele abajida ke bakhombisile ukuthi ke banayo equality ku squad sabo yabo, and ke I really liked indlela iTS Galaxy ebiphendula ngakhona because nayo ububona ngempela ukuthi ke nabo bayi team enehanga efuna ukuthi ke iwini ama games amaningi kuyona le Betway Premiership. But ke ngizokhuluma nje ngama positives nama negatives yale game ade sibukele namhlanje. Yabo ngizokhuluma nje futhi ngayo Iswelele kakhulu. Iswelele bafethu uma usubheke nje i-lineup aba-lineup engakhona namhlanje abajida bebe equality all around. Uma usubheke nje i-lineup abaqale ngawo namhlanje yabo ukhona ke uPhoko ugoalkeeper omusha usasana kusayinwa isona Iswelele. Kuba usesane lapha obe negame emnandi kakhulu because simonile ethola iassist enhle kakhulu eassistela uPule okuyigoli elihle alikorile uPule. Bakhona oNdebele, bakhona oBaliti, oMfolosi nabo bakhona, oKobedi umjida ke usasana kusayinwa nayo bekhona, Mokhachana ubekhona lapha namjida waseLesotho mase kuthi kuThulo ubekhona, mase kuthi uJeza lapha phambili ubehlupha ngempela ubeyihlupha iTS Galaxy yabo. So le game le mina ngokubona kwami Iswelele besingayiwina le game. Iswelele besingayiwina le game. One thing eshaye Iswelele kule game ulo goalkeeper lo yabo. Angifuni ukukhuluma like ngikhulume kambi ngaye lo goalkeeper but ke mina ngokubona kwami some of the goals abawaconsidile lo goalkeeper bese ngawakwazi ke awagwema ukuthi ke angangeni epaleni cause ngeke uzongitshela ukuthi ke as a goalkeeper ufunani la. As a goalkeeper uyabona ukuthi ke likhona idefender lakho, lo muntu lo umele head ibhola liyangqo epalini lakho. As a goalkeeper why ufuna ukuyobamba ibhola la? Yabo mina ke izinto ezikanje ngiyangiquestiona kakhulu as a goalkeeper. Kumele uzazi ukuthi ke ukephi uyibheke ipositioning yakho ukuthi ke wena as a goalkeeper ukuphi nendawo. Uma ubona ibhola liza kanje kumele ubheke ama surroundings zakho, ubheke ukuthi ke ngabe umkahle yini ukuthi ke uma uya ko pounce ngabe uzokwazi ukuthi ulithole. What if umjida uZulu mhlawumbe ubephasela umdlali ungala eceleni alishaya nethini, still uZulu ended up scoring this goal yabo because ugoalkeeper vele ubengekho epalini yabo. So I question this goalkeeper a lot because umjida uRicardo Gos uyena obe ugoalkeeper wayo Iswelele. Njoba nje ube ugoalkeeper uRicardo Gos, currently uRicardo ukwiMamelodi Sundowns ube kwiloni kusona Iswelele yabo. Mina ukubona kwami Iswelele la uma sifuna ukuwawina ama games alandelayo, if usiyema ucoach waso Iswelele efuna ukuwawina ama games kumele athole ugoalkeeper oyiquality or ayolanda uRicardo Gos amsign permanently. You saw iChippa United yenzeni kuOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates besimlandile ubani na uGoodman Mosele base bemlona kwenye club okuyini na iDurban City. Yabona ukuthi ke cha Orlando Pirates ke ngeyisasilona back lo mdlali lo because sebefuna ke simsign okwangempela. Benze njani na? Baya kumthenga umjidi uGoodman Mosele. Kumele benze njalo balanda ugoalkeeper ozokwazi ke abasize because lento ekanje ikwenza ngempela uhleke ngempela yabo. Akusiyona iblunder engiyibonile eyenze ugoalkeeper namhlanje. Ngibone futhi enye iblunder eyenze ugoalkeeper wanina wayo iTS Galaxy. But ke ugoalkeeper weTS Galaxy maybe ke ngingamzwela ngisho ukuthi ke mhlambe there was miscommunication between yena benoZulu because uZulu lapha kumele amtshela ugoalkeeper ukuthi ke ungalibambi ngesandla leli bhola ngizoliheda kuwena, kodwa wayele deal uZulu leli bhola because ukuliheda leli bhola kunikeza ugoalkeeper indication ukuthi ke kumele ngizolibamba ngesandla because uyawubona ulayini la yabo. Lo line lo uyawubona wenze ugoalkeeper acabanga because there is a player who is coming uyasiswelele. So nje beliheda nje initial thought yakhe mhlambe ukukona ukuthi ke hawu man nangu goalkeeper uyangihedela ibhola nangumdlali uyangihedela ibhola awuze ngilibambe ngesandla yabo. Mhlambe ke iyona into efike ekhanda kwikhanda lakhe umjida with his Galaxy. Yabo, which is a very very concerning thing ukuthi ke bangaqalisa lo mjida lo ekhona uThape Ira. Ngiyamzwela nje kakhulu bafethu Bernard Parker. Ngiyamzwela kakhulu Bernard Parker because after lo goalkeeper lo ethwele red card umjida ke bamkhiphile bafaka yena uThape Ira. Yabo, why bengamdlalisa ngoThape Ira? Because I remember recently umjida uthole contract entsha with TS Galaxy wayengaqalanga. Yabo, bekumele eqaleni uThape Ira abe uyena ugoalkeeper wale game le. But ke overall it was a good match. Both teams wanted to win the game, but ke iswelele isona bese quality kakhulu because isona ebese attacker ngampela. Yabo, okuyibona ukuthi ke emuva bebeshiye bevulile. Yabo, emuva bebeshiye bevulile. Usesane udinga upartner lapha emuva athole defender azokwazi ukuthi ke alithembe ngempela. Umjidi udlala kahle kakhulu lapha emuva, ungikhumbuza ngale ikhathi esadlalela Orlando Pirates. Yabo, athi ke mina ngokubona kwami uZulu lo bedlalela TS Galaxy, I think man of the match yami uyena umjidi ongidlalele kahle up until le moment lapho khona ihead khona ibhola back to goalkeeper wakhe. But umjida he had a good game kwigame namhlanje. Yabo, bafethu kumele siqhubeke siwabuka ama games akanje. Yabo, ngizoqhubeka nje ngishaya icontent ngama team abantu abangawabuki, kumele siqhubeke siwabuke ama games. The more we watch these games, the more ama sponsors ezoza kwi-PSL, the more ama fans ezoza stadium. Yabo, kuyo supportwa ama local teams. Yabo, ngithandile iattendance adi ikhona le eBloemfontein vele ke kodwa eBloemfontein bahlale bekhona bezo support. Yabo, ngathi ke ngafika more people bezo supporta sona iswelele, even though ngayona iBloemfontein Celtics, but ke bafike bazoyisupporta i-home team yabo because iswelele right now asadlali ku top flight. Nje singasekho ku top flight kumele bafike abantu batheleke bazosupport iswelele because iyona team asebenayo le esisele ku top flight football. Yabo, they must back their team. Yabo, big up to TS Galaxy nabo bedlala away abajida ke balwile ngempela. Yabo, usiye makusaka ukuthi ke ayishaya TS Galaxy. Let's hope uBernard Parker nezakhe nje wabe udlala nje against Mamelodi Sundowns ba ready ngempela because the Sundowns I think it was the last match if I'm not mistaken. The last match they played, they were playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm sure basenayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi ke hey TS Galaxy yaskolota. So kumele babe ready abajida. They must make sure ukuthi ke they make us happy. Bayishaya Sundowns ibuye ngadlala abafethu. Yayidlalela abafethu, but ke it was a good game. Ningakhohlwa ungifollow abafethu nguVane Sports lapha ka Instagram. nguVane Sports ka Instagram.